In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export QuickBooks Online data to Excel. If you're using QuickBooks Online to manage your business finances, exporting data into Excel can be a powerful way to review, analyze, and share important information. Whether you need to create detailed reports or organize your lists, this process is simple and straightforward when you know the steps. And if you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Let's dive right in. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and make sure your user role has the necessary permissions to export data. Without the proper access, you won't be able to complete this process. So it's a good idea to double-check that everything is set up correctly. Once you're signed in, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the QuickBooks Online screen. This icon opens the settings menu, which is where you'll find many of the options for managing your account. Click on the gear icon and the settings menu will appear. From the menu that opens, select Export Data. This is the feature that allows you to download your financial information for use outside of QuickBooks. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the export page. Now it's time to decide what kind of data you want to export. QuickBooks gives you two main options here: reports or lists. Reports usually include financial summaries and metrics, while lists are more about the details, like customer or vendor information. Choose the one that fits your needs so you can move on to the next step. After that, you'll need to select the specific items you want to include in the export. QuickBooks allows you to be pretty detailed here, so take a moment to review the available options and pick exactly what you need. This ensures you're only exporting the data that's relevant to your task. Next, set the date range for the data you're exporting. QuickBooks provides some helpful preset options, like last month or year to date, but you can also customize the range to match your specific requirements. Just make sure the dates you choose cover the information you need. Before you proceed, take a moment to double-check all your selections. Review the type of data, the items included, and the date range to ensure everything is accurate. This small step can save a lot of time later on. When you're ready, scroll down to the bottom right corner of the page and click on Export to Excel. QuickBooks will start preparing your file. Depending on the amount of data you're exporting, this might take a few seconds or a little longer, so be patient while it processes. Once the file is ready, it will download automatically. If it doesn't, check for any download prompts on your screen. By default, the file will likely be saved to your computer's downloads folder, but you can adjust this depending on your browser settings. After you've located the downloaded file, open it in Excel or any other compatible spreadsheet tool. This is where you can start working with your data. Excel makes it easy to sort, filter, and format the information, so it's organized exactly how you need it. Finally, don't forget to save a copy of the file with a clear and meaningful name, including the date range in the file name, such as Sales Report January 2023, can make it much easier to find later when you need it. And that's it. You've successfully exported your QuickBooks Online data to Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.